Okay, this is the box I made. Got tiger wood in the corners and box of made of cherry wood for my front yard. I cut down most of my tree, and the center part is also cherry wood. I make some wooden hinges, but for now it's got that. And inside it's just like veneer type plywood. Latest thing I made is a puzzle box where you try to get the wood out. Pretty much just a thing full of a bunch of pieces of wood. Can't pull it out here, but with a bunch of certain moves that you need to make, you can actually get it to unlock. So, for that to chime, granddad's clock. Okay. So anyways, with this piece pulled out, just kind of listen for the clicks, because that piece is sliding 3 this way, and 1, let's see, this way, and you go back 2, and listen for the click. By the time this is at the bottom, 1, 2, that's a small click. Yeah, this should be out. And I've seen this online, so I tried to make one to see if I can make it work. It did. It consists of a few weird pieces. An HJ piece, that piece, 6 of these little guys. Maybe we can see it a little better. And I got an injured chest right now. This is the inside of the box. It's got a piece glued in the middle and a piece glued on the edge. And to load it back up with all these pieces out. One piece I didn't show you was this piece. 3/4 or 1.5 by 1.5 by 3/4. Everything is based on 3/4 on this one. So I'll load it back up. If I can do it where you can see it. One piece there. Getting a little tough. A piece like that. A piece like that. And then there. And we gotta take this piece next, put it over in this corner on the second layer. Second layer there, it's kinda, you can see it over there. And then this piece over here straight up, or standing in a way, if I was to have it laying up like that. I'm just tilting it to the side so I can show you. And then put one under the outside glue block. Under there. Hard to see. That piece in there, so you got 2 pieces left. This piece here, which I'm gonna have to set this straight up to do. Right there. And the big piece. Now it won't go down because it's open, so you gotta lock it in order to close the box. So first we'll start by going this way. Here we go, quick. And So click that way. That way should be the one going. No. Sometimes I get confused. Okay, that way. That way. That way. One more click, I think. There, that was close. And it does. Pretty cool box. It does nothing but challenge you to slide it in the right direction until it opens, and then loading it's harder than even opening it. And there you go. That's the latest thing I made. It's all out of pieces of wood that I got that was old wood from other things. So instead of throwing it away, I made something with it. There you go.